Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you a new product I received. Um, I'm going to be showing you this fold up travel stand. Okay, it looks like this. I'm in the airplane and I asked for it just for this moment that I'm traveling. So I hope you like it. Okay, this is how the product it looks. Okay, it's very easy to install. And I like it because it's like super small and compact, so you can use it perfectly to travel it or to travel with it. This part it's the only one you need to pull for that you can put your phone there, and you can use it that way and this way. And for example, if you need to work and you don't want like this way or you want to see a movie, you can fold it and use it like this. So I think it's perfect. It comes with this what it says fold up travel stand, and also with this little bag that it's incredible to protect the product. Okay, so I like it a lot, this product. And I think it's perfect for doing your homework, for maybe seeing a movie. Okay, and like you can see, it's very incredible because right now the airplane it's moving a lot. So I think it works perfectly because like you can see there, the phone it stands up incredible and it's not moving. Okay, so what do you think about it?